Hi there, welcome to Mr. Gadget channel. In today's video I will show you how to update your Windows 11 to latest version released, if you didn't receive it by automatic updates yet. In this case I will update Windows 11 to latest version released this month, 24H2. Start by opening a link from description. Scroll down to Windows 11 disk image and select Windows 11. Download. Now choose your language. And click 64-bit. Wait till download will finish. Once download is finished, go to Downloads folder, locate your Windows 11 installation file, right click and mount. Now open Setup. Next. Accept. Now installation is ready. Click Install. After few restarts, update is completed. You can check version of Windows in System Info. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.